Intel's latest partnership is helping create a new type of brace for scoliosis patients using AI technology. I'm Stephanie Essen, and you'll find out how on this IDZ Weekly. Intel recently added to a project which used data to construct a 3D printed orthopedic brace for those with scoliosis. Scoliosis is an irregular curvature of the spine which affects millions of people around the world. And braces can often be heavy, uncomfortable, and clunky. And that's what brace designer Francis Batonti wanted to change. He saw a vision for linking data and design and removed pieces of plastic that weren't therapeutic, keeping the brace as effective and lightweight as possible. The prototype for the brace incorporated a small Intel microcontroller, which included an accelerometer and gyro, Bluetooth technology, and pressure sensors. An Intel-developed app monitors and logs activity, temperature, pressure points, and more to help the patient best customize their brace. These more comfortable braces can be worn for all-day use and can even be stylish to wear. In addition to uses in healthcare, these generative designs have also made their way into the fashion industry. A collaboration between Batonti Technology, Intel, and Chromat, an architectural swim and athletic wear company, has created some of the first prototypes. One example is the adrenaline dress. The dress uses fabrics that can respond quickly to changes in a person's breathing, heart rate, and temperature. It can even contract and expand dynamically. Thus, when the wearer of the dress feels stress, it can change its shape to fit their needs. So the next time you go to a black tie event and then you want to run a marathon afterward, you won't have to change your outfit. In all seriousness, this marks a cornerstone between AI, fashion, and practical healthcare that can significantly improve the lives of people worldwide. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link provided. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next Monday.